everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make this awesome penguin gravity toy. So let's get started. Here is the list of the material you will need to make it. So we will make two big coils using black color strip, and we will make it using quilling needle. You can also use the normal quilling tool. Tight the coil and secure the end. Do not tight it very much, as you will find difficulty in giving it a shape. You can make the other coil similarly. Now we will give it a shape using quilling mold. Secure the shape by applying glue inside it. Let it dry for some time. So now we will take the clay and we will fill it inside the lower part, which is a semicircle. We need to give some weight inside it to make it a gravity toy. So I am using clay here. So now we will stick both the parts. So now we will add one strip over here to give it a better finishing. Cut the extra strip and secure the end. So now you can see it is a gravity toy. So now we will give it a look like a penguin. So for the arms of the penguin, I have folded a paper several times and will glue it to make a thick paper. So it will look like this after sticking. And I have drawn the arms of the penguin on it and will cut it. So it will look like this. So now we will paint the front part of the penguin using white acrylic paint and brush. It will look like this after completing, and I have also attached the googly eyes. So I have cut a small triangle from orange paper and we will stick it like this. So now we will add the arms. So guys, here our penguin gravity toy is completed. So you can now check the movement of it. So guys, here is the end of our video. If you like the idea, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.